So today I'll be showing you how to add your Google account to your Vitron Smart TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to the home screen, and you want to do that by pressing the home button on the remote. And then from the home button, you want to go to the menu at the top there, slide across to Mine, and then under Mine, scroll and go to Settings. Now under Settings, go to Accounts, select that, and then select Add an Account. So that's going to present you with a Google account sign-in page, and you just need to type in your Gmail address and your password. So let's start with the Gmail address, and then click on that green arrow right there. And then type in your password, and then log in. So once your Gmail account or Google account has been added, you can now go back. So I'm just going to exit out of here, and you should be good to go. You can now use that account to, in the Google Play Store to install apps and YouTube and other apps, other Google apps you might have on the TV. Thanks for watching, and good luck.